Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, and today is Tuesday, February 11th. Now, this morning I was supposed to meet my buddy James, the Fly Rabbit, because he's supposed to be here. He's doing his transition from trucks and so forth, but he's not here yet. So that didn't happen. So I was on my way to my pre-check, get ready to leave. I wake up, I got to the shop last night because I have an air leak. I said, okay, well, they discovered it was a tire. So they changed the tire. I said, okay, you're good to go. But during pre-trip, my light's still on. I still hear an air leak. I'm like, fix the damn thing. But I also woke up to a note, something about brake skid 7/8 on this trailer. Charlotte's the only OC that have people that come around the lot at night inspecting trailers. And if they find a problem with it, they're going to leave a note on your door saying, please see the shop before you leave. So it's the only one I've been to most of them, if not all, at least in this part of the country. Indianapolis don't do that. Carlisle don't do it. Ovets don't do it. Charlotte's the only place that comes around and looks at trailers at night while you're parked. And that's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. It should be standard across all OCs. But hey, shout out to you, Brandon. I was in there talking to the maintenance guy. He was walking in. He was like, bro, I follow you on YouTube. He said, man, I messaged you a couple years ago. And I'm like, oh, yeah, sweet. You know, it's his first day. His first day in his truck by himself. Congratulations, buddy. Yeah. So I don't know why he was in the shop to talk to the maintenance guy, but he's in there his first day. Nice, bright and clean safety vest. You know, the new look, right? He seems excited. He seems motivated. So, Brandon, good luck to you, buddy. Like I told you, if you have any questions or whatever, don't bother to reach out. I mean, don't bother. Don't be afraid to reach out. I will answer any questions I can, just to the best of my knowledge. So, all right, we're back in the express lane. We're going to wait for this to get done because it's 9 o'clock in the morning now. And I should have been gone about an hour ago, but I dozed back off. I fell back asleep. So, yeah. I've been on Central Time for months, and I'm all of a sudden at Eastern Time. So, yeah, so we'll see how long this takes. Hopefully I'm out of here in the next couple hours. But let's see what the trucking world has in store for us today, because we're only, 60? I'll tell you exactly. I'm not going to guess. I'm an hour and a half. We're 82 miles away from delivery in High Point, North Carolina. Yeah, hour and 22-minute drive. So we're fine there. If I can get this dropped off by noon, I get over to Mebane, which is Mebane is 41 miles away from drop off, and take it to Procter & Gamble all the way in Pineville, Louisiana, 946 miles later. So we have that dropped off tomorrow. And I did book a load last night. After that, to pick up, had a pickup window between Wednesday to Friday out of Zachary, Louisiana, going to the Washington Courthouse, Ohio. So the plan on that was to squeeze a 34 in, like Wednesday when I dropped this load off, to pick it up Friday morning, squeeze a 34, get a fresh 70, and then take it to Washington Courthouse, Ohio, drop off on Sunday, so I can continue rolling and have a strong week. However, the north storm's coming through back to back over this next few days. I'm not getting stuck up there, so I sent a message last night to my BOR so she could read it first thing this morning, because you can't call after nights no more. Asked her to please remove it, and told her there's a couple storms coming through, and I'm not going to get stuck in that stuff again. So, and I woke up this morning and it was gone. So thank you, Miss Dawn, for taking that off of me. So now I got to find another load to follow up this next one, just Thursday, Friday or something out of the Pineville, Louisiana area, and just keep trucking. So anyway, before we can get to that, we got to deal with this. Let's see how long this takes us. The only good thing about being in the shop for an hour and a half after you thought you was going to avoid that crap the night before is it delayed me around town so my buddy James and I can meet up. So he got here Right as I was getting out of the shop, we walked inside. We had breakfast, and now he's turn around. He's that guy right there in the high-vis jacket over there, waiting for an Uber to take him to go get his rental car. So it is now 10 minutes to 11. I should have already been at delivery, but getting stuff fixed on the trailer, meeting up with my buddy James, it's worth it. So now let's hit go on Trucker Path. I'll be there a little after noon, it says. A little after noon.
Parked out in the driveway.
And then we'll go the 40 miles up to Mebane for the next one. So I've done a bullshit enough today, so let's get this show on the road finally. All right, so we're here at the Macy's shipping receiving place. I recognize the whole road and all that. I've been here before. I think I was a company driver at the time. Maybe I was here picking up a load. I don't remember the details. I know I don't remember having to get a code for an empty, so I probably was picking up a load versus dropping a load and grabbing an empty. So, but judging by everything I've been told and everything I see, I got to get a release number for a trailer once I establish what empty trailer that I will be getting. If you notice in the pull-up, I got a truck at the gate. I got a truck right here on the road, so I'm number 3 in line. Looks like trying to check in, so let's just get through this and get to the next one. Well, good news is I don't need a release code for an empty. Bad news, they don't have any empties. The guy just pulled in the yard dog was bringing in the last one, judging by the security guard, as I was checking in. He's like, well, looks like we may not have no more empties for you. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, that yard dog just brought the last one I checked in. I'm like, well, maybe it was the most convenient for him to get. So, and that's probably true because that was the only one for him to get. So I'm putting in my exception right now. We'll click OK. And see if there's somewhere between here and where I got to go to get an empty without going out the way. Right now it's 12:40. Let's find out how long this takes. Well, that didn't take too long, gladly. About 20 minutes. Gave me enough time to scroll on some TikTok for a little bit. Completing our task, we just took an image of the proof of delivery. And I'll tell you in a minute, I think it's FedEx, but I need to look at the specs of where it's at and all that good stuff. You get rid of these tags. Boom, boom, boom. So, gotta review the trip and then activate the trip and put the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. All right, FedEx ground in Whitsett, North Carolina. 24 miles from where I'm at, then 20 miles from there to where I gotta go. So, okay, so it's on the way, it's in the middle. Good. Okay, so we need to do this. We need to add 6538. Nope. 6538 Judge Adams. Cool. Add stop. We're gonna skip that. And we're gonna hit go. Yeah, baby. All right, cool. We'll be there in about 26 minutes. So let's go get our empty and go get our load so we can head west to Pineville, Louisiana. Oh, I just recorded all of this because I wasn't recording. So this is no longer a drop and hook. This is a live load. And he says he's almost done with 6. Once it's open, back into there and he'll get me loaded. So I had to create do a request approval for changed work, turn it to a customer live load, and keep in the current trailer. Now I gotta wait for them to update the assignment, and we will go from there. And it's cold. It's like 40 degrees. I mean, it's not really cold for me temperature-wise, but the rain's coming down, and the rain's cold, and it feels like it could be a winter storm or a winter mix, and I don't want it. Get me out of here. I got to get... Matter of fact, I've been thinking about on the way here, how is it going to take me to get over there? Now, I'm probably going to end up taking 85 and cross over into 20 somewhere and take just 20 straight over. That's what I'm thinking, but let me see what... the GPS says. It's probably going to take me through 3701 Monroe. Nope. I was hoping it would auto-populate, but that's probably... There we go. Monroe Highway in Pineville, Louisiana. 936 miles from this location. Because Pineville's off 49, just above Lafayette. Alright, so... 85. Yeah, that's 20. All the way to Tuscaloosa. Take 2059 now through Knoxville. And 20 all the way to Monroe. Or we could take, is that all 55 through there? No. Yeah, it looks like I take 20 all the way to Monroe and go south on 84. Is that 84? No, it's not 84. It's I don't know what the hell it is. Give me a number. 185 or 183. I can't see that. Okay. I was thinking it's going to be 20, so I'm taking 85 down to Atlanta. And take 20 all the way over to Monroe, Louisiana. What's that weather thing you're talking about? What is that? Flood watch. I could take 85 all the way down to Montgomery and Meridian. No, that's not 85. It changes when you get down in this stretch of the road. No, it doesn't. All right, they're updating my task right now. Let's see what they did. Customer live load. Yep, okay. All right, so they updated my task. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go on duty. I'm going to go to live load, next, and next. And then off duty. That's how I document my time of load. And I'm waiting to be loaded, so guess what? My time is being documented. Yeah, that way I just looked at a good 40 miles longer and an hour and 10 minutes longer as well. So the shorter route, 918 miles, is that route, but it's only 918 miles in 14 hours and 46 minutes, or 947 miles in 14 hours and 42 minutes. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Straight 20. 85 to 20. 85 to Atlanta, bypass hit 20, and 20 all the way to Monroe. 947 miles, 14 hours. So if I can, depending on how long I'm in here, I'll knock out about, it's 2:20 now. I won't mind driving to 8 or 9, but that's also depends on how long I'm in this door. We'll figure it out as we go. That's just the way we do. We figure shit out. So I've been here for an hour and 11 minutes, and they're just now in my dock. But I'm feeling a little hungrier today than I usually am around this time. I was thinking, why? Maybe because I had breakfast this morning with James. I don't know. I usually don't eat breakfast. I usually just eat that one meal a day. But so I'm feeling a little hungry, so I went back in the back. I just cooked up a pound of hamburger and cheese. So I basically just a cheeseburger in a bowl. So I did notice, though, once I got in the dock, about 30 minutes later, another truck pulled out. So they probably had to finish him first before they got to me. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it's now 3:32. So I'm gonna get this because when we leave here, we gotta get fuel. The fuel a couple miles away from here. $4 a gallon around here, man. Oof. I'm just gonna get enough to get south. I just watched Ryan Hall, y'all, too. So I'm in like northern North Carolina area, east kind of closer. I need to get south. 85 south. I need to get down south, get away from the possible winter mix and ice and all that crap. I know I don't like it. 2 hours and 40 minutes I've been in this dock. Still waiting. It is now 4:56 in the PM. Every so often he gets in the trailer. So my day's pretty much going to be done. I'm going to go ahead. There's a pilot out here. I'm probably going to wind up staying there. Pilot or the Loves. I'll get fuel. I'll probably just stay there. It is so aggravating. I booked this as a drop and hook. This is what the trucking world has for me today. Get delayed because of stuff I went to the shop for yesterday to get fixed and kind of found out it wasn't fixed. Had to go back in this morning. I did get to meet and have breakfast with my buddy James, though, the Fly Rabbit. I get to my delivery, had no empty. I had to go find the empty, which fortunately was along the same route. And then I get here and it turns into a live load. So, I mean, it happens. I'm just kind of aggravated today. So, whatever. Is what it is. All right. We're at the pilot. You know, literally probably 4 minutes after that last clip I recorded, they came out and said, you're done. I was just looking at their time, the operation hours of the place. My appointment ended at 1600. I got there, what? I don't know what time I got there. I forgot. 2 something. So, all right. So anyway, I'm at the pilot. I just got like 30 gallons of fuel. That's all I got. And now I'm parked. I'm just staying here. It's raining. It's nasty. It's going to rain all day tomorrow. It's going to be cold too. So I'm going to get further south I get, the warmer it should get. But I'll still be in rain all day. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I'm just frustrated. It's one of those days. We all have them, and I haven't had one in a while. So, you know, it is what it is. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support that you show me every single day. I love it. I love interacting with you guys, and appreciate it. So don't forget the merch shop down, the link in the description. Also, the membership link is in the description if you choose to become a member. I'd very much appreciate it. But, again, those are options there for those who want to go the extra effort to help support the channel, but no requirements at all. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.